Good morning, students. Now, class 6. Today, you have to read leaf. What is leaf and what is the structure of leaf and what are the functions of leaf? You know that leaf is a part of plant. Have you seen the leaf? That is green part, broadened and thin part. Green, broad and thin part of plant is called leaf. Understand? Broad, structured, green part and which is thin is called the leaf. Now, here you see this is a leaf. Now the part by which leaf is attached with the stem, that is this part by which leaf is attached with the stem. This part is attached with the stem. Now this part of leaf is called petiole. Understand? Now the whole part, this whole part of leaf is called lamina or leaf blade. Understand? Now you see here that petiole is continue to the tip. Now this part, this middle part which is continued to the tip, that is called the midrib. Understand? And these are the veins. These are the veins of leaves by which food and water comes into the leaf. Understand? Now these are the parts of leaf, that is tip, that is the last part, end part of the leaf, and this is the midrib, this is the vein, these are the veins, and whole part of leaf is called lamina or leaf blade. Understand? Now the part by which it is attached with stem, that is called the petiole. Now these are the parts of leaf. Understand? Leaf, that is green, broad and thin part of plant. Understand? Now leaf, you know about the structure of leaf, that is this whole part of leaf is called lamina or leaf blade. Now the part by which leaf is attached with the stem, that is this part, is called petiole. Petiole is continued to the tip. Now this part is called the midrib. Understand? Now these are the veins by which water and food comes into it. Now these are the veins. Now how many parts of leaf are there? That is 5 parts. Petiole, lamina, veins, midrib and tip. Understand? Now this is the structure of leaf. Now the function of leaf. You know also that the small pores are found here. Small pores on the ventral side of leaf are found. Those are called, one called stomata. Stomata. And through stomata it exchanges the gas. That is, during photosynthesis, it takes carbon dioxide and gives oxygen gas, and during respiration, it takes oxygen gas and gives carbon dioxide gas. Now, the exchange of gases is done by the stomata of leaves. Understand? Now, the chlorophyll, you know that the green part of plant is called what leaf? Green plant is due to presence of what? Chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is the what? Complex, that is the green pigment, and it makes the food for plant. That is photosynthesis work. That is food making process is done by the chlorophyll present in the leaves. Understand? Now the function, that is first food making process. Food making is the first function, that is खाना बनाना है ना. Photosynthesis, that is it is in presence of sunlight takes place. So photo, that is in presence of sunlight. Synthesis means what? To prepare this food. So now in presence of sunlight it prepares the food, and it is done by the chlorophyll of leaf. Ultimately, the function of leaf is to do the photosynthesis process. Understand? Now second process, what is? Exchange of gases. You know that during respiration plants take oxygen and gives carbon dioxide, and during photosynthesis it takes carbon dioxide and gives oxygen gas. So now these are the exchange of gases takes place in photosynthesis and respiration, and this process is done by leaf. Understand? Now you have understood that what is leaf, what is the structure of leaf, and what are the functions of leaf. Understand? Okay.